Have you ever sat down with a senior and just listened? Not with the intent to give advice, not to fix anything, just to hear their story. Our seniors have lived through wars, raised families, built communities, and watched the world change in unimaginable ways. In every wrinkle, there's a memory. In every pause, a lesson. But today, too often, their voices are drowned out by noise, by busy schedules, by scrolling screens, by a world that moves too fast. Many seniors feel invisible, forgotten, and yet they hold the stories of our world. Listening to seniors isn't just an act of kindness, it's an act of healing. For them and for us, when we sit with them and truly listen, we're saying, "You matter. Your story matters." Studies show that simply being heard can reduce depression in seniors. It gives them purpose. It reminds them they're still part of something bigger than themselves. Connection can literally save lives. But it's not just about helping them. It's about what we gain. Their wisdom, their humor, their humanity. In a fast-changing world, they remind us of values we're losing: patience, resilience, gratitude. These aren't just stories. They're soul medicine. So next time you see an elderly neighbor sitting alone, stop. Ask them about their life, their first love, their greatest challenge, their proudest moment, and just listen. Because when we give our time and attention, we don't just honor their past, we enrich our present. And we build a future rooted in empathy. They held us when we were young. It's time we hold space for them now. If this message touched your heart, don't just scroll away. Subscribe to Joyful Aging and walk with us on a journey of hope, healing, and dignity. Every view, every share, and every moment of listening helps make the world a little warmer for our seniors. You're not just watching a video, you're joining a movement. Let's make aging joyful together.